With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, I'm your teacher for this question and the question is, in the closest packing of A type of atoms whose radius is given Ra and the radius of the atom B that can be fitted into the octahedral voids is. So in this question we have to tell the radius of the atom B which can be fitted into the octahedral voids created by the atoms A. So octahedral voids is created by the 6 atoms which arrange itself in the form of octahedron and create an empty space which is known as octahedral void. So we will draw it. So the 6 atoms would arrange themselves as, now 2 atoms are present, one atom is present above it and other is on the below side. So in one dimension we can represent those atoms as above and below as like this. Now they will form an octahedron like this. And an empty space here, the octahedral void would be present. So we can say, if we take only these 4 atoms to calculate the radius of that atom B, these all are A atoms, this is A atom, this is A and this is A, and the octahedral void is present here and the atom B is present here. So we can say, now this will be equals to the edge length A and this will be equals to the radius of the atom A and radius of the atom A. So that will be equals to 2 Ra is equals to A, because this is the radius of atom A and this is also the radius of atom A. Now if this is edge length, this will also be the edge length, so this will also be equals to A. So this will be equals to root 2A if we apply the Pythagoras theorem. So that root 2A will be equals to, this will be equals to the radius of atom A, this will also be equals to radius of atom A. Now when this atom B is completely fitted into this octahedral void, its diameter will be 2Rb. It means 2Rb plus 2Ra equals to root 2A. That is the this. It means 2Ra plus 2Rb equals to root 2A. Now we have two equations, 1 and 2, and we have to calculate the radius of atom B. So we will divide the equation 2 by 1. So that will give us 2Ra plus Rb upon 2Ra equals to root 2A by A. A will be get cancelled and 2 will also be get cancelled. So this will give us 1 plus Rb upon Ra equals to, root 2 is equals to 1.414. So that will be equals to, Rb upon Ra will be equals to then 1.414 minus 1. So that will be equals to 0.414. It means radius of atom B is 0.414 times Ra. It means radius of atom B must be 0.414 times the radius of atom B to completely fit it into this the octahedral void. So the answer of this question is 0.414 Ra. So I hope you understood the solution. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.